And Apple recently hit a new high after the announcement of the iPhone 8 event. What does Apple need to do for that to keep the momentum up after the event and after the launch of the phone?
Yeah, I mean, it's going to be hard, right? And we've had a strong buy opinion on Apple for some time. I remember a little bit more than a year ago, this was a stock that was in the low 90s, and now we're, I think, at over $160 a share. So it's been kind of tough to some extent a year ago thinking about where the price was. But again, we've seen the appreciation in the shares, in part because Apple seems to be delivering in terms of how they're gaining market share. The new iPhone that is expected to be introduced, I think, really within a week or so, and I think people are very excited about that. Frankly, sometimes we do see a sell on the news kind of impact, and that's something that folks need to be aware of, especially given the fact that the stock is at all-time highs right now. However, I think it's pretty clear that a major growth driver beyond just the new iPhone is going to be the services business, which I think contributed more than a fifth of the company's revenue in the recent quarter. And that's something that we think has legs in terms of a growth story for the company for years to come. So it's going to be really interesting to see what the new iPhone consists of. And a lot of news has been made about augmented reality and about wireless charging and things like that. And I think a lot of that is already priced into the stock. It's amazing. You know, if you go back 5 years, there really was very little in terms of certainty about what Apple would announce at these events. Now, I think there's really not a lot of mystery, and so I think that's going to contribute to maybe a sell on the news and maybe an additional buying opportunity.